Hi, I'm Ethan, the account executive at CUFinder. Get ready to check out CUFinder's Prospect Engine with me. It's going to blow your mind. Remove insufficiencies and inaccuracies in the manual lead generation and contact tracking. CUFinder's Prospect Engine does it all. Quick, verified, and easy. Log into your CUFinder account. Click Prospect Engine at the top, select Company Search. Choose any company search criteria you like. Here I've narrowed it down by choosing only two filters: United States as a location and human resources as the industry. As you can see, the list of relevant and targeted companies is shown in no time. You can customize to view 25, 50, or 100 companies per page from the bottom of the page. Simply click on any company you're interested in to view its data. As you can see, the company's name, logo, website, and social media URLs, emails, phone numbers, details, description, products, services, SEO information, and employees' data are given. Click on Add to List to save this company to your existing or new lists within CUFinder. Do you wish to save data for a group of companies? No worries. Return to the list of companies. Tick as many companies as you'd like, then add them to the list within CUFinder, export them in CSV Excel formats, or push them to your CRM from the top menu. CUFinder integrates with various CRMs and automation tools including HubSpot, Zapier, Salesforce, Zoho, Make, Pipedrive, Close, Copper, SalesLoft, Outreach, and etc. You can also find targeted decision makers and employees via the CUFinder's Prospect Engine. Instead of sending messages to generic company emails or dialing secretaries, connecting with decision makers is a smarter move. Get faster responses and direct connections via CUFinder. Let's discover how easily you can find relevant professionals using CUFinder. Enter the Prospect Engine. Click Contact Search. Select your preferred search criteria to filter results. As you can see, the relevant individuals are demonstrated in real time. Click anyone you like to view its verified contacts and complete data. The person's name, image, company name, social media, URLs, and company website, work email, phone number, personal email, personal information, work history, educations, interests, skills, certifications, keywords, and colleagues are provided. If you want to keep this person's data, add it to your existing list or make a new list. To save the data of a group of professionals, go back to the list of individuals, tick as many of them as you want. Afterwards, include them in your lists, export them in CSV Excel formats, or send them to your CRMs using the options available in the top menu. This is your shortcut to effortless lead discovery. A couple of clicks and you're entering a goldmine of detailed information from the right companies and individuals. It's that simple.